Guys, what's up? It's Mark again. Check this out. I'm going to go over a few things really quick, briefly on this Toyota Tacoma 2016 TRD Sport lifted with a BDS lift kit and 22x14 wheels on a set of 33x12.50 22-inch stretched tires. Here we go. Number one, acceleration. It's not an F1 car, but it does get up to speed. Number two, turning radius. Check it out. Although it looks kind of small because it's a Tacoma, the turning radius is still kind of limited as far as a full U-turn at a stoplight. Last, number three, overall appearance, which is my favorite. What are you going to use it for? Most likely commuting or driving from point A to point B in your mall parking lots. Check it out. If you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. This is Mark signing out.